Hey guys, so the MIUI 10 is officially here and it comes with brand new features, brand new user interface changes and speed improvements, and it is the closed beta version. I'm running on the Redmi Note 5 Pro right now. It is available for a bunch of devices and Xiaomi says that the public beta version will be available by June end. Basically, you will be able to install the MIUI 10 operating system on all the supported devices by the June 2018. And yeah, this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I have installed the closed beta version which is available on XGA right now. Someone captured the OTA, so it got available for installation. You can install it right away from TWRP recovery. I have made a specific video on how to install the MIUI 10 on the Redmi Note 5 Pro, so if you want to install, just go and check that video out. As you can see, it is the MIUI version 10 8.5.31, and if Xiaomi rolls any update, I will get it right away from the check for updates section, which is something really nice. And yeah, we have the new setting redesign. We will talk about it later on. And yeah, this is my full review of the MIUI 10. So first off, we will start with the lock screen. There's nothing new in the boot animation, so we are skipping that part. Here's the lock screen of the MIUI 10 versus the MIUI 9, and as you can see, the difference is clearly visible. We have center clock and date on the MIUI 10, which really looks great, I think. And we have the left top date and time on the MIUI 9, which is also good, but I really feel that the center one looks really nice. And if you take a look at the bottom, the swipe to unlock section is gone and we have a big camera icon. Let's open the lock screen of both of these smartphones. Both of the MIUI 9 and MIUI 10 are running the limitless theme. The MIUI 10 has updated version of limitless theme while the MIUI 9 has an old version. So basically the difference is clearly visible. The settings icon is changed and the font is also changed. Rest of the applications looks exactly similar. The dialer is also a little bit changed. The new MIUI 10 features include the brand new notification panel. It is redesigned and it looks really nice, I think. We have the new brightness slider, up the brightness and down the brightness, and you can also add few quick setting tiles right from there. So let's open and add the battery saving mode. Here we go. So it is simple as that. And we have the notification, so you can swipe on the right to dismiss that notification and you can swipe to the left for settings, and you can also clear the notifications from this cross icon. And we also have the brand new redesign of the battery icon and the network icon, so you can select the settings also. My device section is totally redesigned. As you can see, we have the MIUI version right on the top, so you can select it and check for updates. Next we have the model number and device name. All specifications can be seen. So it runs on Android 8.1.0, but I really think that in future when Android P releases, Xiaomi is gonna update the MIUI 10 based on Android 9.0 P. The specifications are clearly visible and there are tons of devices which will be getting the MIUI 10 latest updates. So great to see Xiaomi updating all these smartphones to the latest MIUI 10 based on Android 8.1. Another major change is the brand new recents. It looks really beautiful, guys. I mean, just look at that. And I really think it is better than iPhone and the recents which can be found on Android 9.0 P. Definitely you can swipe to the left or to the right to dismiss a recent application and to close a recent application. And if you want to open additional settings, you can also do it by holding down the recents, and there we have lock, split screen and settings. So let's split a screen. There you can do it, and you can tap on any of the application to open it in the multi-window mode. Let's open the Play Store. And we also have new volume control section. It looks more like Android P volume control section. You can just swipe up and down to control the volume, and there's a quick option to mute and enable the sound right here. And there we have the major sound settings, so you can enable and disable any of the volume. This is the alarm clock volume, this is the notification volume, and there we have the calls and messaging volume. So you can also select the silent and do not disturb. It is handy and easy to control. Really liking the new style of the MIUI 10. Next thing worth noticing is that there is an updated back gesture, so you can swipe from left to right and hold it a little bit. There you will find the themes icon and just leave it. There we have the themes application, so you can do it again and open the settings again. It's not only back, you can also open different applications by this, which is something really nice. You can do the same from the right hand side also. And guys, the camera application is working really great, and there's the front portrait mode also. This is having artificial intelligence portrait mode, but I think the previous one was better. So basically the camera application is working. You can install the MIUI 10 right away. It is not like the MIUI 9.5 Chinese global beta where the camera application was not working. The major thing is that we have MIAI, that is Me Artificial Intelligence, which is not working right now. You can access the settings, but basically this artificial intelligence thing is not working at all. Let's try to access the MIUI, and the MIUI has stopped, and that's totally fine because it's closed beta version, so that was really expected. We also have tons of new applications. Let me show you. There's a new application, Me Talk, which was introduced a few months back. I think it is a WhatsApp like or WeChat like application where you can chat with your friends. And there is Alipay. There are tons of new applications. Me Life is also new. These two applications are Chinese YouTube like application. I think these are video services, so you can open it and you can access all the Chinese videos, which I am not interested at all. And the MIUI 10 also comes with a brand new wallpaper. Here are the wallpapers. These are two wallpapers you will be getting along with the MIUI 10. I won't say that this is a major update over MIUI 9.5, but definitely there are tons of changes which is worth noticing. Now let's talk about the battery life, and I will be answering few of your questions that you guys were asking. So first off, the battery life is amazing on the MIUI 10. Definitely it is way better than the MIUI 9.5 and MIUI 9. I've been using the Redmi Note 5 Pro with MIUI 10 almost a day, and I can say that the battery life is definitely improved. And regarding the performance and speed, this thing is really speedy. The app installation time, the app opening animation are really quick. There are a few minor lags, a few system applications force closes sometimes, but there are no major bugs. Now let's talk about the dual VoLTE. MIUI 10 supports dual VoLTE or not. Here we are. As you can see, I've inserted two Jio SIM cards and one of them is not working at all. So the network of the second SIM card is not available. And let me show you, I won't be able to call from second SIM card 98289828. So cellular network not available, but I will be able to call it from the first SIM card. Let's do it. It is dialing. I also want to show you guys, so this is the new dialer screen and it looks really beautiful. You can also select the note option. You can also record it from right here. You can mute it, and this is the basic dialer screen. So this is it with the new changes I have noticed till now, and this thing is really great guys. There are no major bugs at all, but definitely dual VoLTE won't work. So that's all with the official review of the MIUI 10. Let me know in the below comment section if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, because I will be making tons of new videos on the MIUI 10. So thank you for watching and peace out.